just like seeing is believing, we think hearing is convincing. Today I have a demonstration prepared for you. I've got two Cisco phones on the table right here. With the first Cisco phone, we have it set up to an independent call manager, which then goes out to the PSTN. On the second phone, we not only have it connected to the call manager, it's also connected after the call manager to our Deltapath Noise Cancellation Gateway, which then goes out to the PSTN. I have my colleague Nick with me. He's outside. Nick, can you say hi? Great. Nick will be using his cell phone to call in today and have you guys experience the difference that our noise cancellation gateway makes. Hi, Nick.
Hey, Trinity, I'm out here standing in front of a big construction site. Lots of traffic noise going on, lots of construction noise. How am I coming through?
You know what, Nick? I can barely hear you at all. The environmental noise that's surrounding you is really loud. Why don't you do me a favor and hang up and call me back on the other Cisco phone that has the noise cancellation gateway set up.
All right, sounds good.
Great, thanks, Nick.
Mhm.
Hi there, Nick.
Hey, Shermatty, it's still really loud out here. How about now?
Are you kidding me? I can't hear any background noise. If I wasn't looking at the screen, I would have no idea that you were outside.
Wow, that's amazing. My ears are still bleeding out here.
Oh no, you know what, Nick? I think we can end this call. You can come back into the office. I think the demonstration showed how great our noise cancellation gateway is.
All right, fantastic. Thanks, Shermatty.
Thanks. Take care, Nick.
Bye.
Everyone, as you can see from this demonstration alone, the noise cancellation gateway makes a big difference. So if you want your employees and partners and customers to hear you and you want to be heard, it's time to invest in a noise cancellation gateway. Thanks.